Hi everybody, Susie Fido here from Marketing with Ethics and creator of the Facebook Kickstarter Academy. And today I'm going to show you how you can download your videos from your Facebook business page so that you can repurpose them elsewhere. So to do that, we need to go over to our business page. So I'm going to take you over to the Marketing with Ethics one now. And here we are on the Marketing with Ethics Facebook page. And obviously you've got your videos are all stored under the videos tab here. So if you click on videos, it will then bring up all the videos that you've put on here. You can decide which one it is that you want to put on. So you can go into all videos. Let's say, for example, I want to download this one here. So to do that, you click on it. You can pause it straight away because it doesn't need to be playing for you to do so. So you need it to be in the big screen like this. Then you go up to the top right-hand corner, click on the three dots, and select download video. And as you can see, it's downloading in the bottom corner here. I then highly recommend that you find a folder to save them in and also rename it, because as you can see, there's a long number here, which is the Facebook unique ID. So go in and change it to the title of whatever the actual video was. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can download your videos from your Facebook business page so that you can repurpose them elsewhere. This is Susie Fido signing out for now. Until next time.